I be don't sabi na one land Kuran will be small because na family na we own a family. Na there sabi Junior Tumbu and all the likes of the footballers they will end up go do so well. John Deezer they all play on my grandpa field when I Kaibara were born because of that one great word. But me not go talk about it. So when you call me that word, I enjoy it take me back because you know what I mean, like because that's me. So what they do now, it's not Maya faking.
No.
It's believe you me,
no.
Even on me DNA.
No.
Me mama we born me go tell you say from where I small, I they get a picking them. You understand? Because me na me want get me mama been born. Now I can born donzi. So when you then a yard, where you pull it, as you know that styling, you go pull it for all my own picking. Then go pull it for now all. So me one get I get 5-6 plates.
You see?
You understand? Because me mama don't pull it for all man picking. So who say me one day they can eat 5-6 plates rest. So I got to go get all me bobo in an area. Now all they can eat me rest what I get. So that's how I grew up. So for bring people them together, I've done it from time in memorial. From when I know say I get sense enough for bring people them together, I was doing that. I was blessed the opportunity. Me parents and me they both them, me papa then you understand eh? They send for me, me mama did and they send for me. I be literally don't spoil. And when you grow up in the East and where poverty, you see real impoverished life, and then you are one peak. You understand eh? Myself, the Diantos them, we were seen amongst because Dianto are all men, are all grew up. This Dianto now we all men, look yard. And then but we were seen as the better of now a very deprived community. So we had facilities. Dianto every weekend they buy for football. Every week you get new ball, that 2 shilling ball or whatever. You understand? So what you will they do? Why wear this crepe? What I pull a give one for me bobo them. You understand? Because we be the get them.
Yes.
You understand? But it don't mean say we were wealthy. No. We just had a lucky opportunity because we parents them been they out. You understand? And they're able to afford, as you say. But the spirit of togetherness, we not sit up and selfishly. We felt just share it. So sharing into a community and bringing people together. It's there. So anyway, I'll be just one more small than side. So
Famble them. Let's start with the networking.
Let's talk about the networking. Yes, let's talk about networking.
This because networking day, I don't think of them for years now, but forget dates for doing anything at the community in Tiranga. Because all the dates there, all man not all and tight. You know, if you reach the person date,
I will put the flyer back up. When they talk no more, I will put the flyer back up. So while you talk,
I don't look them. I say a lot of times people like ask me, Farella, there you know some people so you go recommend to me where they sew. You know get person you go recommend to me where they lay flooring. You know get person you go recommend to me where they fit kitchen. You know, all them plumbing, where they do their small carpenter work. We get all them skilled people there in our community. But
so the flyer they right now on screen as people then they watch them when I go see the flyer on screen as Farella they talk when I go see the message and the date now Saturday the 19th.
But most of them people here then get a skill here where they train for. They don't even forget enough job them for sustain their life. Then go back to work, then they do something different. You get plenty of people in it. Where if then try for build up their clientele in and out of the community, then go able to live and work there, where then go able to work for themselves. But I always say this of we say unions. We're afraid for take risk. When are people the way we prefer for go work for somebody else, or go say assure and guarantee my wages way week done or way month done, than for work for myself self-employed. When I go show how much money I go make for week or for month or for the year. But until you try, I mean not gonna know how it go work for you. So we don't think of this for years. I don't want for doing, but we not able to bring myself for doing it now. Next Saturday, 19th of October, Blanchetown, na up Camberwell, yeah. We all know that all day we don't do
so many functions there,
2 to 10. We want less skilled people in coming. Coming with your portfolio. Coming with your complimentary card. Coming, we will give you a few minutes, like 5 minutes. let you talk to the audience. What do you they do? You get your portfolio for show them people that we don't work for, what you don't paint for, what you don't leave them flooring for, what you don't do plumbing for, what you don't do the garden, what you don't do the pavements. You know, a lot of work then they will means no people that we don't do. Where you go able to tell them and show them 2-3 work for the portfolio, and let we get contacts with one another. Depending on how many people then show up, because now we notice that the woman when they into their business, they don't come forward. Caterers them, we go do food on the day and sell them, they don't come. 2-3 people that they do other business, they don't come, but more of the woman. What's in the happen? The man they not there. We not get man the way they do their own business. We not get self-employed men. We not get skilled workers. Now London, when a man there, you know, and they ask again, are the men looking down on the function as if to say it's too low key for them?
I will come in exactly what you talk so it's such an important point where you make. So we again you talk about brothers them. Caller, I don't answer you call, just stay on the line. I will just bring you come on air very soon. We the men then they out and away brothers they can meet me and say, hey, little for example, the brother we paints this, 80% of him work they all now outside of the salon community. And I can say Abs, first of all, you don't get card, instead name Abdul. And I say, well, Abs, you don't get card. So why you they say salon people then they support you and you they do great work? How many salon people then? First of all, your location where you dey inside the West London, just like una. If I tell you say the West London, you don't even know say the West London. Nobody knows you know salon man because you're not quite gentleman already. But if salon man see you work where you do, then go give you job. But they don't know you. So this is not the opportunity for let brothers they come, isn't it?
Yes.
Hold on to that. Let's answer the caller. Hello, caller. Waiting on your name and who side you call from, please?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bell Setter for as far as Manchester.
Oh la la.
Bell Setter as far as Manchester. These are only Anker and Gona school. They can cost me.
Talk to.
If you deny, I they call Miss Monica. As you deny, no man, they call Miss Monica. I know all you Anker you go school.
Never. Now. Well done, guys. Yeah. And well done, Farella. This is a special message from me to you. Sometimes when we get great women them as well as men them in our community, we for appreciate and recognize them.
That's true.
Some people are born with special skills. They can born with special touch and special blessing. Like Farella and Kind, you get nothing for her, she's Farella. And sometimes you cook soup. If you don't get that salt, so make the salt tasty.
Yeah.
To be honest, nobody know they eat. So now Farella and Kind. Farella and Kind for the around so many places. For the soup sweet.
Yeah.
So wait till me the time to tell her this night. Farella, you're not a special woman. You are very special in your own way. I don't think so you get a copy of yourself now in community. But I want to talk to you, and I talk about always you do. I just want to let you know so you're very special.
Thank you.
And tonight, I call God for cover you, but always you plan.
Amen.
And always you don't do, make it give you the blessing.
Amen.
Make it give you begin the blessing.
Amen.
The blessing.
Amen.
And all that you mingle with let them give you the blessing.
Amen.
Because without the blessing, you never succeed.
Mm-hmm.
You just touch people in differently, in different ways. But I believe, say, God call you for the way you to do so.
Amen.
So, I just want to bless you tonight. Let God bless you.
Amen.
Let God make anything where you put on pan, as you plan them with clean heart, make you walk.
Amen.
May God give you the strength.
Amen.
Amen.
May God give you the wisdom and understanding. Like when you deal with your picking, like you teach other people then. How to look after your own picking and all the people in the community.
Amen.
May God bless you.
That's a fantastic call from Princetta, my own baby sister. where I can go school. You can't deal with me now. Great call. Thank you so much. That's Princetta. I'm the CEO of Bellsetta, and one of you signatories that we don't sign up for the networking.
Yes.
So now come back to the networking. We'll be talking about. I'll be tell you, share a story to you about the men them out there. There are so many. And for answer your question, there are so many skilled salon man them way out now. So maybe this is not the opportunity for tell them and reach out to them. Let the voice reach out to them and say, this day, this networking, not for just woman them where they do business, where they want their only sole trader or where na key stakeholders, the way if na pa entrepreneurship then they pa or na pa recruitment then they pa for Kanomo. Now also platform for their brothers them where they do business of all nature, where they run their own business for Cam. And you happen to get one of the most respectable men in the community now where they run your own business, the CEO of Wheels for Sure and Lifestyle Beats, winner Mr. Reginald Larry Cole.
Yes.
You understand? Or short form for Reggie Cole.
Yes.
Now one of the people, the men that we don't sign up.
Yes.
So let's talk about why important also for the boy picking them they and this networking next Saturday the 19th of October.
It's very important because not for me you they come. If say for me make a launch on sale, na quick business for me. People who can take the install there, then pay them 30 pounds. People who can then dance to free music, then buy what's then they buy. We all rub skin, then do small donation, we go home. But not we be not in my mind for long.
So how this different? Just quickly, how this different from launch on sale? How this networking format where you they deliver next week Saturday? How it different?
It's very different because the networking is not there only about getting there to buy food, eat, dance to music, and go home. We want the business people there forget the floor.
Okay.
Each one of them.
So then they get the opportunity.
They will get the opportunity for can tell we what thing then they do. How for contact them.
Wow.
Who that day way they get evidence of them work them.
So your CV get for talk.
Yes. So you go able to come and can showcase yourself.
That's a fantastic idea.
As long as you're not a skilled person. But one thing where I get for say salon people then we get one problem. You know, some people then they when I don't send a some man WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I don't send a some man private messenger on Facebook. Some man don't see them na my Facebook. Some of them are business people. They no contacts for say, hey, Farrella, what's in there this about? You know, say they do so. I go like fuck out with me brando.
Yes.
And without being disrespectful, Farrella no can beg you for let you come na the networking. I won't, because this is not for me.
Yeah.
It's for all of us. So now you for be excited for can showcase that you business where you struggle for.
Yes.
But who of we they struggle with business there? But when they make like some business, then they reap some fantastic dividend. Not they you know say you they look that Nigerian posse and the way they tell you say in they sell cars. If they make so for you. You don't know half the rich, but still you they calculate say you don't talk millionaire. You don't know who that you will beat up. Sometimes they person in a boss and they meet up person way he go do business with.
True.
Any you as business person, any side you go, you for look am as an opportunity for go create business contact. No look this squad say dear Farrella. Now then, party there. So the family then not going to
we get a habit as Sierra Leonean way. The habit is we want for see. Let the first one get off the floor before we come on board. We always let for be second place citizens.
Yeah.
You understand? Because in anything where you do, you go find out say anybody will come up with a concept or great idea. You understand? It means the next people that work for the people that work for can support you. Where they expect say these are the people who wait for the can knock now. They say I don't you. They know they come. You go get people that way you not expect. But the one way you expect them go there on board, say, let's come. They'll say, oh, well, let's see how Farrella do this year for us. What thing you go say to people like that and how you go feel then they miss out because you want for day, me want for be a party to when it gets off the floor. I want for saying I mean at the person way. One thing the way Auntie Kadi has always forgiven me for, even though I don't ever go after, maybe I know inside the 18 years, I know even reach 5 10 I don't go. But she always said to me, little now you first starter with me. Now me at the person we take wheelchair and King's College Hospital on the day of the launching. I learned one pan the picking the wheelchair, now the children's ward I bring and come in for display, we cover them nice. Now me now the person we sacrifice and now. So she's always had that soft spot to forgive me, to say,
so you've been there, they will start.
You've been there, they will start.
Yes. Yes, and like what you said to me the other day, we say now the second year this.
Yes.
Because I remember 1 year we would do telephone call.
That's correct.
On the Aspire Voices.
Yes.
I mean then I also will get the call. We discussed this mission.
Yes.
But I not ever come around for Duam.
That's correct.
That's 2 years ago.
That's right.
I not ever come around for Duam. You know what to inspire me back again?
Waiting.
Bellsetta, the last caller.
Wow.
She did one in Manchester during the summer, and I went there and supported her with my stall. So when Seta me don't think of her years ago, I not put her together for one. When Seta think of her, we all engaged. He put her. It was good. It was successful. Now say Seta. You know, so that's what I don't think of. You be remember saying at the second year.
Yes, I did. I said now the second year this. That's exactly my question.
Yes, because we not talk about time. I not been doing. So after that, I said, from when they talk about this networking, make her do now this year. Let me get people, even if that cleaning company you get,
do you know
come out.
Yes.
You don't know who would give you a contract. Not look people that might be looking. Inside amongst we, you get who is who.
Yeah.
Not to all man get big mouths like me.
Yes.
When you go no say Farrell and
me.
That's true. Some people in this line area of business where they you know they talk about time.
Yes.
We get different classification.
And they will be there just to take notes.
And they will be there. You know, even Seta gets 1 or 2 people when a business people we want to take stall. I said to Seta, no. As much as we so far make money, I want it to be a Sierra Leonean thing. Because those people are foreigners.
Yes.
The foreigner they sabi for fend the money.
Yes.
We just they sleep.
Yeah. Let we business start for go within we first.
Yes, I said this like do a pure Sierra Leonean networking day. Let we.
What do you hope say now the outcome for get on the 19th of October? What do you hope say for get from this first launch, this inaugural networking platform?
And I hope say beats future clientele. A lot of people in the community will come for can see what it's about and for can know the skilled people here. And I hope back again say the skilled people that will come on board. The woman then they already. The man there now I don't know if they feel too big for come for the networking. If una feel to say una don't arrive, una don't reach, una don't turn millionaire there now, una your money, una they get weekly or monthly or yearly, pan una skilled work una they do, una no want more, una get more than enough clients overflowing, so you don't need more. I don't know.
I'll give you a simple theory. Coca-Cola does not need to advertise, but yet then they advertise.
Thank you.
McDonald's does not need to advertise.
Thank you.
And yet then they advertise.
Thank you.
The power of advert. And then we get a sister, we don't create a platform.
Platform for you.
For let you start that. Inside that one, they immediately assure you say, either way where you've ever feel say you've been. Somebody they will go can, if they like what you talk, go can approach you say, I know one day you give what you. Somebody must be to go say, I don't be ever no say they do this.
Yes.
And if somebody come me to say, you know, be ever no say they do this, that means say your pitch has been successful.
That's it.
It like now one person on that day after you don't talk down. It means your pitch has been successful. So that means the person who create the platform don't do a right thing. Hence the reason why it's not too late yet. Brings me to my next question. You get a cutoff point for where people then they come in for register for the networking day. Do you want to make a pitch or?
Well, obviously we have it. We are having it next Saturday.
Okay.
So at least by this weekend, we're not going to take more people again.
Wow.
Because we need for plan we save during the week.
Yeah.
For no almost stalls that we get. Because even right now, we turn down some food stalls. Because we now want let food stores can take over a lot.
Okay.
More than the business people.
It makes sense.
We want to get few food so that all man will able to get food. All the different food the way they look forward to.
Yeah.
If I can just name them, we will get jollof rice and stew, cassava leaf, crane. We will get bitters and fufu. We will get cassava bread and fried fish, akara, bean chakara, ginger beer, tombi, and alcoholic drinks go then at the bar. We will get all them small food then they. Let will not double them. This one it will only be one of each.
Yeah, makes
from
sense.
them people they also.
Yeah.
So we want enough stores. We want make let the networking. We self go get satisfaction. See, this first year when we do this networking event, even the skilled people there go give we call back and say, Farela, you know, say from where I come out to a networking.
Yeah.
This whole month a book for painting.
But you know, so when they play catch up, which you touched on, other communities are thriving on this.
They're not a joke. I'm telling you, me I get
other communities are thriving on this. Why we they play second best all the time?
Other communities, I'm telling you now, a program like this, then they pay nothing less than 80 to 100 pounds for their store.
It's true.
Except then get the all for 50 pounds and they still charge you big money.
Yeah.
And forget a businessman like Reginald Cole, where they come, if they can give himself to the community, for can talk to we on business, give we himself your inside story. Because sometimes when they strive in business, you need for hearing from a businessman. We don't kick up, fall and kick up again. For give you confidence.
I agree totally.
Yes. Say not lose hope. Just keep on pressing on.
Just that man saying to me, "You're doing well," is always a massive confidence booster for me. Every time I get on the phone to him, he said to me, "He say, Little, you're doing well."
That's it.
When somebody like that says to you, he knows struggles and then he knows delivery.
Yes.
And when he says to you, "You're doing well," you want to embrace that day with the most serious and most reassuring message.
That's it. Somebody like that there around you don't know those areas he can employ you. You don't know those business contracts he can give you if you can't see say you na plumber, you na painter, you na this you they do, you na electrician.
Wow.
Sometimes
you don't even think of that with it. That's true.
Yes.
You understand?
You don't even know.
He might be a CEO for a car leasing, but the car leasing, you need somebody who go get contract for wash cars.
Thank you.
So if you're in a car wash you depart, you understand? You don't get 2-3 people the way they southeast or west on the way they wash cars. Why would you not want to have the opportunity for the wash 150 cars them every day when an assured guaranteed contract?
You don't need for go do that other one again.
You don't need for standing in front of the supermarket, they wait at the corner, they wait till that they pass by, you get a contract.
Sierra Leoneans.
We need to think outside the box.
They aim for the time we will go get with millionaire there on the ground. Don't give me the. Me are satisfied say this. But we want for them. I
don't think we ever believe that Sierra Leone what they call them millionaire can be from a cleaner. We not ever getting concept in the we never Richard Grant's all they make no so all not in a record he sell. He sold records. From his record company, where is it today? He's talking about going to Mars.
Oh,
so you can be your cleaner and value what you do.
Yes,
you got for value what you do, and then you
become
a millionaire. Because your cleaning company can, as you said, through a Reggie Cole, through somebody else, can secure one of the biggest contracts you don't ever get in this world, not even this country. Through by coming to a networking, somebody can listen and can say. You bring cam where they come so bring as Farela say bring cam something way credible when you CV let your CV so your CV can be 5 other people the way you don't do work for.
Yes,
so
or you get your pictures.
Or you get your pictures them say the man they go this networking day and then when I can support me you understand because I get for the talk so I might wanna say okay Steve you know what I mean so.
And if you not get anything on a USB or on disk. We can forget projector out on the day.
Okay.
So we can even show on our work then. All of that for free. It won't cost you. I'm coming down with my projector. Something that I'm all go fit and for me and all. And take with
if somebody want to do like do you pay to get into the one where they go do the pitching? The one where they go do the businesses. Do you then they pay for register?
Yes, they all go for take. stall.
You can get for take stall.
If you know one day be installed, say £30.
Okay.
Yes.
So if you want just for mingle around the pitch, the network, and then up to the time where you call them for can give them own talk or for can sell them business, then is there a different price for that? Say for example, say me in a service industry, I'm able to sell, let's say for example, life insurance, and but I just get a portfolio where I want for the meet 4 or 5 people them, and then just talk to them about life insurance, this and then I move on to another groups of people.
No, we're not gonna do that because that go divert the attention of the people then from the main board.
Okay.
So no one to let people then do their own small thing.
Okay, so let them focus on the main board, but then get a stall.
Once then they go around, we're not gonna stop posting, so let not talk to posting around.
Okay.
You know,
that's correct.
You can do that just like how the stores then would they sell food. So you just can go around there with them, but we don't want to let people then go gather. Would they give you the front?
So you get the floor.
You get the floor. You get the front stage where you go get the mic.
Okay.
For tell the people them who that you be.
So everybody.
What do they do? Wow. So all man go get now in 5 minutes. All man go get to that time day for talk to people. Then obviously who that interested people can talk to you.
See? I think that's a brilliant idea. And then for the public, any price pay, because I've said the flyer quite clearly say free entry.
No, it's free.
Wow.
We sell food and drinks there. The store people then will get food. We get drinks at the bar.
That is incredible.
Yes.
Wow.
So we are looking forward to seeing a great turnout on Saturday the 19th of October. Men, please come out. You know, this just proves the word way I don't be talk. Very soon, will they take over for Muna? Because the woman, we ready.
I agree.
We're not a joke right now. Will they feed we picking there?
Yeah.
If we man there, the tender way themselves shot in, will they full up there? So, una the man there, if una there, una no one for stand up and sit up with una skill the una gets, una left in a corner, pass you up for the ghost, tell, thank you Jim, thank you Jack, and that's no more now for the pan. Well, not a problem. With the woman that we ready for take over the floor. And we will come back. After all done, I will come back for serious man.
Yeah. I believe so. I believe so if you come back. Okay. Mariam Sulain. Okay, hello. I think I know who this call is. Hello, caller. Waiting on your name and who side you call from, please?
Hello, I call from Greenwich, London.
Okay, hello, Greenwich, London. I'm waiting on your name, please. Marian Williams, welcome to Salon Talk on Diaspora Voices. Waiting at the Salon Talk where you want to share with Farella or question where you want to ask him.
I'm so happy with Farella. They did this thing come up for this small business.
Fantastic.
They even send on a phone where me engage in a workshop.
Yeah, okay.
I look at but something come up where I'm not able to call them back.
Right.
I don't say no me.
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you, darling?
So, Mariam, my own question to you. They run your own business or you go Kande as a member of the public?
Well, I own my own business, but I'm up now about 3 months now where I know well. I don't think say I know.
Okay.
I do operation and everything.
Oh, we wish you speedy recovery.
Yeah, but my good thing, and she said next week, but I will find out if I get anything for, you said till Saturday.
Yes, Marian.
Yeah. I do, I do fashion design technology in London College of Fashion.
Wow.
I do jewelry.
Yes.
Yeah.
So do reach out to Farella, and if you definitely they're in a fit state, make sure say you use the opportunity for let we hear people that like yourself where you don't get the professional knowledge and skills for can showcase, and who knows how many more doors go open for you. But this is not a great call, and we wish you a very, very speedy recovery, Marian.
Yeah.
Thanks for calling, Marian. I'll give you a call.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless.
God bless you. Thank you. Wow. That's a great call there. You know, now that's one for you. Let somebody watch the program, listen to what Farella they say, and be inspired and be touched about that. So then we can join we next week Saturday when at the 19th. Now Blanchdown Community Center. When I get up to this Saturday, I'm small businessman with a challenge with borders and we boy picking them, irrespective of what kind of skill job where you depend, whether you know a fitter, whether you know a painter, decorator, run your own cleaning company. Or let's take them to another other side like engineering, arts and decor, whatever. If you're not a football coach, one can say they run under 16 training football team.
If you're not teacher,
if you're not teacher education,
you go to take lesson house.
Do you know how many?
You're not accountant. You want for they get you
do you know how many Sierra Leonean people will come up to me and say, DJ Little, you sabi anybody where they study picking them? How many Sierra Leoneans, and they tell you household when a Nigerian man and they teach we picking them. Most of we know that. It's not that we don't get competent salon brothers them, it's because they know they sell themselves very well.
They sell themselves. We have teachers in the community, please come out. You
understand? So I'm sure if you teach, you must get a good 1 hour or 2 hour where you go able to go na households them where you know. Me, I will use them as an example.
Yes.
Already I don't get somebody established. But for me two picking them from when Wahida doing year 6, where you get a Nigerian person where teach them. Where Zafira 7 weeks to that stage day. But by that time I don't establish relationship. But I would have loved for that person to be a Sierra Leonean, honestly. But by the time I don't get me salon border, this person already don't establish himself, and I could not just change overnight.
Of course.
But if I don't know who that the salon person when education,
and they for don't go in the first place.
And they force for don't go. And this na the platform where Farella they create. Let's come out there and tell people then say this now what they do now. We skill this. I able to give 2 hours a week. If you need me, now my contact number this. If you want for assure me credibility, find out from this person and this person, or look at me pictures them work out of the side of what work. If you not get pictures them or you not get link to YouTube, just give yourself and say contact me. I can give you this person the number for let you call, let you say I'm credible. You understand? So it's as simple as that. The formula is easy. And we the pray say, let God make this elevate, get off the floor to a massive success. And then we look at taking this to Wembley Arena. You know what I mean? O2 Indigo. We they see communities, then they go excel. When I visit this showcase, so then they do so excel. Some of the communities, the Nigerians, the Ghanaians, then they take and go. Excel is big. It's got so many different arenas and different rooms. When they talk about Excel, no one just say one go take the biggest room in Excel. But they get rooms then they where you don't come on and they say networking in 2021, 2020, 2021 is no longer Blanchdown. We they go into London Excel.
Yes, one bigger space.
We they go into Citibank.
Yes.
When I don't think about that. Outside the box, Sierra Leonean people, I think it's a fantastic idea. And by God's will, we all go today, that Saturday day, for put we support and we blessing day, and for make sure say we will talk about that, we will play the advert regular and regular. But I'm not letting you go yet.
Yes.
This community is getting
no, let's slow deal with
ambassadors
for humanity first.
This community is deteriorating, but ambassadors for humanity is elevating.
Yes.
You don't take ambassadors from humanity from Cheshire Home Freetown to Cheshire Home Boom.
Yes.
You made a commitment to me now a living witness.
Yes.
And I'm so grateful. Just like United Artists Hour, I'll be able to witness and cover first and see. I am so grateful I was part of Ambassadors of Humanity.
Yes.
When we don't talk to me, say, I want to go. We don't always miss the timing to where they deliver, to see first and the incredible work that you do.
Yes.
Honest to God, me fumble them, me bother them. When I saw what United Artists do na Kisi Christian, my love for them changed for their work. You understand? Amazing. When I saw firsthand the transformation, where I see, you know, this wonderful, amazing woman, you know, sometimes they, hey God, I say this to young people, them, we do not need to rely heavily on government. These countries, these people in the West, they are successful because you have businessmen and the way they not chess.
Yes.
Where you even say Dominic Green give conservative 1 million because he know he's got it and that's his own giving spirit. So when Farella enter into Cheshire Home Freetown and transform that home, you know, one day inside the night audio, if you go back and listen to what they say, Every time they talk about Cheshire Home, she always says it. There are other people that are doing what they're doing. But when she came there, you understand it? The tangible difference is quite clearly. But equally, they take nothing away from them. One day way they do, they only live when they do. One day, come down and knock down anybody we don't benefit from Cheshire, we don't do for Cheshire Home before her, after her, continue for do for her. Day, I did it, I agree with the chairman, Dr. Amadou Bangura, where Abs Dumbuya, sorry, where he talk. But other donors the way give. You understand? So they don't sideline them donors the But wallahi, in Cheshire Home, when you say ambassadors for humanity, even the youngest baby,
they all sabi anti-Farella.
Where they benefit, no udana anti-Farella. So the senior teachers them, the directors them, the trustees them, to the government. But you have to, if you did salon this December, this holiday period, December, January, or whenever you choose for go salon,
go visit them.
Just go visit.
Yes.
Go visit them. Not go there when Farella did it.
No.
Go there behind Farella in back. Go down to Race Cross and see transformation yourself. Let the people then tell you and say, oh, me na London I come out, me na America come out, Australia. I can't find my sister Farella na the or again my friend Farella. Whatever you choose for call them, or do your investigation first before you even mention your name. Then you read the first name where they can, you might say, now I don't do this good job, so they do this job here. You go read them tell them say, now anti-Farella where they London, ambassadors for humanity. I saw it. I saw the merchandise. I saw the new factory. How you call that? Oh my goodness.
The working skill
center. Do you know what I mean? I saw seesaw play area where picking and not being get. I saw it. So when I go there, talk to me why you feel saying that you want to come up from Freetown to Bow, you want expand. Waiting, you don't feel say you get more work for doing at Freetown. Why you want to go take Bow now? You honestly don't take Bow, you can go there later. Why now?
The thing is, now 2 Cheshire Home, then a salon.
Right.
You get Freetown, Cheshire Home, you get Bow, Cheshire Home. As much as there's still work to be done in Freetown, the stage where Freetown Cheshire Home done day now, you cannot compare it with Bow Cheshire Home. Bow Cheshire Home is in a devastating situation. I don't know if you watch the live, because I mean something go to New Year.
No, I'm not be able to watch the live where you go to New Year because we left just shortly after that. Yes. Because I remember we make the announcement say you they go visit Nabo for just go look.
I will share on my page before the function and I will share the boy. Then just reflect back on how them in Sibo. Both Cheshire Home, you dog.
You know what's
you know the grill like inside house.
Wow.
You know go left and for sleep here now.
Really?
I say you dog. Where you know they agree for like inside house. Where you just sleep in do.
So why you open then?
Front porch.
Why he open? Why he open?
It is very sad. Very, very sad situation. They don't get any subvention from government because they get building at the back where they're supposed for the let out. Where I even say to them, if you get young people in there, girls and boys, we're done there up to 20, 21, 22, 23, if you went off for the day again. Then una get building inside where the director they rent for short stay. I said anything can happen inside how. Then can give Mela inside.
Absolutely.
Because at the one compound.
At the one yard.
No structure, not in place. From government to Cheshire. So the way they did it, just they do as please. Water. Not the day. Then the day now wheelchair. Go get water na street pump. Total now the wheelchair.
No.
Fuck out. Yes.
No.
Yes.
Now then rough road then they.
Yes.
To the disabled person go fetch you
water.
Now,
they go fetch you water.
Put on a lap.
And then I will check. Put on a lap.
They paddle. Oh my God.
We do questions and answers on the day where we call me and Samson. Ask the question. So that when they talk all them difficulties we them faced with about Cheshire Home. So I want to speak to the people in Bo and the people from Bo. Some of you now, because I remember we've been going to live there, some of you now been there, we say, hey, I'm tongue this, now Bo I come on this, that.
Yeah. Have you ever visited Cheshire Home in Bo?
Have you ever visited?
Wow.
Some of you now not go know, some of you now na family and then that Cheshire Home day. Some of you na family picking and did. Some of you na neighbor picking and did. Because the people that were there about Cheshire Home, they not come on Kono. They not come on McKinney. They not come on other parts then. I'm sure. Now both them come out.
Yes.
Both people there.
Largely.
So una help whip on this work. Me, as I always tell una, you can come through me if you want. If you're going to Freetown, you don't need to come through me. You can go directly. Like when at Christmas time, if you get for go Bo, you can go there. Yourself, if now you village down there, you can get people away they paint, you can get people away they do work there. Let them go do work there. If you want to spend £100, they will say you £100 tap it up. Yeah. If you want to spend £50, say £50 tap it up. Some of you get people there where they dig water well or them borehole, all that thing. Una can give you contacts because una na Bo una come out. So do you are the people of Bo from Bo, sorry, living in the UK or any part in the world?
Diaspora, yes.
If you're not able to help Bo Cheshire Home in any way, you contact me. Even if you don't contact me, you can go direct to them. The mattress, they not get bed sheets themselves.
Wow. Just think about I just try to think about my clinical background now, yeah. How many people then go to recycle that same mattress? The way one down commode, they don't go up, and then the next person coming, if they're picking way be the piece of bed or possibly be the piece of bed.
If you see the world,
oh stuff.
If you see the one mosquito net the way they did, you go just want to see the strip all thin, do the wall there, pull all thing with the other place they throw away, and put bed, mattress, all thing. I say both Cheshire Home, they need anything we can think of. Then they sleep in the bed and not get mattress.
So they need a restart.
They need everything what you can think of. Nabo. This is what they call dining hall. If you see full of doors, then they sit down this. Now outside the people they sit down and they will chair it.
Me don't see Freetown Cheshire Home because the reason I can bring you back and because you talk about the clear difference we don't establish. Yes. Where knowing what you don't deliver for Freetown Cheshire Home, and in the time scale we don't do them, which is incredible by the way. This is not a bigger challenge.
Bigger challenge.
How fast you want to do this? Not to you understand how fast would you like to do this and waiting when are the most important pressing thing where you need help in right now?
First, number one are the water. Because they may get water well day before, but you know they won't again. It's a blockage of whatever. So the water well line are the first thing for them get water not Cheshire Home.
Well, let them dig them.
Let them dig them back.
But what about having something like a Bowser force just to get that remedy day for sort of out? If somebody say, well, Farella, I go over for give you 10 gallon or what's in the thing when they call it now 10 liter or so 100 liter or whatever.
Then they go use a 1 week easy.
Yes.
Well, so we need to wait for them to get the water.
Yes.
We need to wait for them.
I can able to supply you. Me and my own company will supply you for the next 3 months. We will give you 100 liters of water every week or so. So
that is good.
And then the long-term ambition is for deliver the water. But how quickly you want for when let them dig this water well, or you want to achieve them?
This nine the number one priority because say water no dey nothing no dey.
Life no dey.
Life no dey. So that water well dey. Now the first 2 hours start with Namo for help them.
So now you know say we get so many of we brothers them and we sisters them we get skills in plumbing.
Yes.
We get skills in like diggers them or whatnot, you understand? And there's a bit soil erosion and everything.
Yes.
Where they travel across, and not to just somebody who know where they live in the UK and Ireland.
No.
Where they live across the world. What you go out for say to them?
If by any chance anybody they were able for support Cheshire Home Bow for let them go able forget clean water, whether now through the well or whether, as you say, for the supply them water. Anybody will go make that pledge day. It will be fantastic. It will be a fantastic offer. But they just need water. It had trending for see disabled person. Then a wheelchair. It took kittle, put on top of the foot. If they go and wheelchair, once a time go to it not going able to fill up the kittle. You can just get the kittle halfway car.
Yeah. Then
So
so even many of that trips there.
The hygiene you're not for talk.
Oh.
Not for talk. When you go inside the place,
Did you question yourself and say, would that Amola a Chris?
Ask that Amola.
Yeah.
Ask that Amola, what is this? The place, if you are abandoned place.
Where in squatters and they go squat.
Yes.
Wow.
If you are abandoned place, a lot of people let me watch that live video there. Lots of people let me watch it.
But as you said, there's no point in knock chest and say, well, mina boa kumote, not to sentimental values here. This is time for action.
No. This is a time for action of both people. Because at the end of the day, if not in politics, still I can't talk about so.
Yes.
For Bo.
Yeah.
Right now, when a mother be holding her power,
yes.
all man go jump.
Yes.
For goody. Well, and then when they are so, una for sure una self. These are una young people. You know, I've been not said this before. We get forget that humanitarian feeling from people.
Indeed.
As much as in order for ourselves. Because we all get where they who said the struggle. But una we come up where Bobby don't play parts now in our life today. Now na your sister and brother and the one and the. When me they go up and not go one day. That's why I reach that boso now. But because na Cheshire and I feel connected, because I don't start with the Freetown Union, now I make I reach up there for go assess. What did they go on there? Because I don't hear read plenty story, I go look for myself. I don't do nothing for the way I go there. I just do, I mean get few leftover from that party, so I carry food and drink.
No, I just think about where I think if I can remember where the chairman or the director of Freetown Cheshire Home say, Absby, they say, I hope say you prepare. Something like that. They talk something like that. They say, I hope say you prepare.
And I did ask her, not tell me that if I saw me go see for myself, it make her no say
yes.
Condition not favorable. But it not give me the exact
picture.
Okay,
well, so, you go analyze.
Like go analyze that myself and it been good way I go for myself. The person not send me picture or give me a report on what's
going on. It could have been any yard.
Yes. Yes, it good way I go for myself.
So let's put figure to it just quickly. You say you want this water well for dig as soon as possible. The next Ambassadors for Humanity fundraising event next year, January.
January, yes. First Saturday.
First Saturday, when I think at the 4th.
The 4th, yes.
Okay. That you go hope say by then Sierra Leonean people and friends of Sierra Leone will support you enough for people. Waiting at the figure where you feel say you go one for at least forget this water well, dig and running. Knowing that's in area no dey safe it for dig the whole, but you got to go identify, you got to go.
No, area they because I mean get one before.
Okay,
we're not they working.
So now you go.
Yes, so
wow, that's a good start.
Yes, they're able for clean out back because I think they say don't block now.
That's a good start.
Yes, so that can be done. This year, or should I say next year because now January, would they go now? Then we left that first week, December. Because when we start first and second week, December will be the use. Yes. Remember we no clash dates, you left dates for me.
Yes.
You change your dates.
Yeah.
Then we go now first week.
Yes. Then we go second week.
Then you go second week.
Yes.
Then now I left the first week totally because now convents, then dates that one day for the dinner and dance. So I want start first Saturday in January, they just like how in the brainstorm.
Yes.
Say how we go work because
Yes.
some people then go salon.
Yes.
But we go just
Many
trust
people will
God.
say you're mad, Farela, because all Monday salon. What you go say to them?
No, I don't go believe so because this year people then they go salon, yes. Because they get to see function but not to all man get for go. Some people then go still there. And now they hope say that they say forget for go. Then go for giving them 45 pounds before they go.
Indeed.
Yes, una always get for go salon. Una get for pay una 45 pounds subscription for una ticket. Una go donate am to a
Family
friend
member.
or a family member.
True.
But una no go and left me so the work boku and I no go able to do me wangi. I dey try my best. But without to know able get that money, how go able do am? So do ya 4th of January we don't change dates now. No clash with nobody.
But I don't think you'll be competing with anybody.
Yes. So una left the first Saturday in January. Una left and clear now for ambassadors for humanity. Please, would they do steadily now? No shake tail with nobody again. So tickets are out already. £45. River of Life. Una no say now una they get una 3 course spectacular bill. Una they get una red and white wine on the table, una ginger beer and una water. And we own Mr. James Top go dede for the good and sweet New Year songs then. We go make remember like so in the salon. He will be there in readiness hopefully. Because Mr. James Top don't some big man now something. Then no can me say Donald Trump go one fly and go America in January.
It a fly, and I make it look me say little I will call you. It a fly.
But we hope for that.
No, indeed. I think the 4th of January, we don't discuss me and you don't bounce the idea, and I've come to agreement that I think, to be honest with you, once people, if somebody wants to support you, irrespective of them present or not, they will always make that contribution, that support. Win at the financial contribution, and then he left to the now waiting and one for do afterwards. And because many people are doing it, and that's the spirit of Selenium people massively, the largest part of Selenium, and so you can do that. And then that 4th of January day, nobody not can meet you and say Farela Bonami date Stanley. I will challenge anybody where apart from na married, somebody will say na me married and day, or na be me wedding anniversary, or na me 50 year whatever birthday business. But when it comes to fundraisers or social events, I will challenge anybody in the community where will come now and say na be me date Stanley. I will honestly, genuinely challenge anybody. You understand?
Because none of not waking on there.
I don't do this for too long for la no say. I don't know the closest possible we can get. I think at grammar school when a New Year dance.
Yes, but then can do end of the year.
End of the year. That's
so kinder left that date today for you. Because then tell is spear date to get for go inside.
DJ left that. I will talk to us.
Left that date today, so kinder don't talk to you directly.
Yes.
Just forget about 4th of January.
Save the date.
Save the date, family. Do you wanna save the date?
So now know the venue, the River of Life Center. The price is £45. The date now the 4th of January 2020, and una they can support Ambassadors for Humanity. And this year the main focus will be raising funds for Bo Cheshire Home and for Digda Wealthy. Please, £45. It's less than your phone bill, as I always say. When I think about it, nowadays most of we will get access all areas, but we phone them. The standard plane are £75. You understand? 75 phone clean for like
iPhone 11.
iPhone 11. I want you to go with what they call endless gigabyte space, endless streaming, and all of that stuff. Then they say, yeah, would they give you as long as you get 75 phone. So just think about the £45 and make that difference there.
Please,
you know, do your the big. And they can call you Auntie Farela.
Yes,
Auntie Farela. We get about 15 minutes. Yes, about 15 minutes to go. You know, unfortunate for me, I came to this country 1994, just me, I can always say, at a very tender age. And then inside this community, my mama and first cousin give me the opportunity as a young man inside, just after 1 year of being in this country, say, come begin go with me. 1995. If you know they do not next Saturday them. Because when my mama be they can go them party them, I can go to Mapniaram, blah 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 blah. So if you ask me, say, if you want to play music, I say, yeah, I'm not going to mind for playing music. You sabi play music? I say, no, I don't sabi play. You play music? And I say, no, you rather than beat me. I learn inside Marabous, all they learn wala, all day, all night. So I had no idea about music and musicality. Pass for go, then jump, then fit, then after. That's all as fast. Even say Pandiwa, go Edward Secondary School, the social side of me was actually in above side. All waiting and know me for now Edwards. I mean, I be the hand tennis champion. I be the beat teacher, I be the beat all man for hand tennis. If they do hand tennis Olympic, every Edwardian will tell you that, say, Donald Cole, Uma Congo, them, they always know in our area, they will tell you, say, nobody be the beat Oduntos. That be me named than the per hand tennis. But I kind of this country, I go up, and then we had a community where we get people that of real age, and then we grew up together, we can meet some of them, and then people them of we can meet with the older past we learn from them, we respect them and everything. We had a community cohesion, a spirit. Albeit yes, the community being small at that point in time, but we know leadership because we meet you and we be the lead, and then we learn from them. The likes of the time where we uncle them, they want for be full at tongue. We learn, we were inspired about them. We started we own kind of thing them. We know who was who. We've had them knocking their chest saying, you know who that be. You understand? So we know who is who, and then we know how to respect them humbly and go on. Fast forward to 20 plus years, post-war, birth, you know what I mean, second generation and so on and so forth. Don't go. A society has grown. Our mindset and the change. At that time, as I can always say, where you talk now, where you can enter in the day, about 60% of the selling and then people in the will not be get paper. No. So when you don't get paper, all man respecting company. Now, fast forward, all man don't get paper. 90% to the worker come on at the plane today, you paper already for you. Or some man they will get paper even before the war will bring a cancer. Yes. Before in a chest, they don't go begin big pan body. Yes. And then things begin change. Yes. Mindsets begin change. Yes. Concept then they begin evaluate you, and before they know. It get to the point now where tensions are rising, feelings are going on, people are questioning others, all man they questioning company, all man facing and get right for judge. Then fast track to waiting at the new world, we may call I call on the new world deliberately, which is social media. So then tell them if me mama upset him best paddy, they go pick up the phone, they go to na the phone say our Rashid, I know like what you do now. You understand eh? Pick up na the phone, they call him, our Rashid, then go talk him. Or then go meet up to Mariam and host, Mama go call the two, then go now to our Muzai, then go sit down now to our Rashid and to Mama and host, then go then talk the talk. 4 years not the just between the three of them. Yes. Now, Mark Zuckerberg can give me that way and say the phone, the Facebook. If they look me, I tell you how I feel. So if Farella upsets me, and then they call Agnes for that.
What's on your mind?
And they can go straight to my phone. And then they talk to Farella because I don't say Farella go see me. If Farella no one see me, Farella and Paddy they will go see me. We will go pass and carry and go and copy and go paste them to Farella and page.
Yes. So look, I show you they talk about.
I show you they talk about. It's become worse now to the point that you understand. I can always say banter don't turn to hate. Collaboration don't turn to resentment and spiteful. You understand? And then it don't get worse and it's getting worse. And a few weeks ago, somebody meets me and challenge me, say, DJ Little, you're very hypocrite. You hypocrite, bad one. Where all this thing they happen, you don't talk nothing. Before that, you go towards Agnes, you can go dinner. Now so. I'm like, I look, I shake my head. I say, if I been talk, you go pick side. I say, I not talk, you still pick side. You know why I can Agnes go? You ask me why I can Agnes go dinner? You know Agnes in mind state? You know if me and Agnes even talk about anything else apart from in welfare and state of mind? Why you they attack me? Well, you know for being do that day, especially where Agnes go put on her social media. I get every right for do what I want for do to those who I feel loved and those who I feel I want to support. Anybody in this world here, they make decision based on your happiness and who that you understand? You feel connected to. But what you don't the world where they live in, the society where they live in, don't become now. You can be the judge, the juror, and the executioner without finding the facts. Why make, you know what I mean, we get a community where they live and thrive on hate and want for religiously celebrate, and I use the word not spiritually, religiously, because na by affiliation. Because religion na by affiliation. Me mama na Muslim, me papa na Muslim, so me na Muslim. So you know, get no spirituality there. So why?
DJ Little. This na topic way if I start to talk about it now, and you want me to be honest, I will take 1 hour. The list.
Wow.
The problem with Sierra Leoneans, or let's leave Sierra Leoneans aside, let's say with human beings, then too hypocritical. Not believe all waiting, then they say about any situation before you. Sometimes some man they talk for before you and talk against, but that same thing they behind you.
Indeed.
Some people go talk to me but one situation because in no say Farrella no will look for your XYZ. He go talk to me as if to say instead of no one for your XYZ.
True.
But to the next person, it did it in favor of XYZ in Tokam. People just not get mind of their own. As I always say, people just not get balls for face reality and face the truth by anything in the world. You see me? I don't know for tomorrow, but for today I'm not going to go into politics. So I don't need fan club.
I like that.
I don't need nobody who I get for waiting to for go vote for me. Any situation where I face with, I will see them. That's how I will tell you without fear or favor. You get for no say, I not a think like you. Myself get for no say, you not a think like me.
Indeed.
So when you don't think your own way, me don't think my own way. Me responsibility as Farrella. Now for try for you understand how I think and so, and why I think and so, and why it makes sense. You still get responsibility. Same way. Why I can disagree with. Me, I'm not quick for acts. I dey think and think about something. We get people in. Man them as well as woman them. I know they say that this community. Because most people don't tell me say la for this community. Because as far as them concerned, not to the Sierra Leone community this. The Sierra Leonean community is wider and bigger.
Absolutely.
Than what some people know and think is the Sierra Leonean community.
That's true.
That's why 2 weeks ago was it when I go live on Friday, a bit gone before me Saturday sawa because I had burning pressing issues to talk about. I say now's platform where people are defeated for. I'm looking for the platform and I can't find it. Which platform people are defeated for? The organization they now then they look, they narrow down people that wait for key award where they feel to say deserving. Then they get people there where they call them and say, why you forget DJ Little award? DJ Little not deserve forget award. Hello?
Yeah.
One thing, if any member of the public get mind for call any organization and talk to you like that.
Yes.
2 things. One, either una the organization number one, una not credible, or una self na hypocrite.
Yeah.
Because for them member of public, when me, the time me go say, because very soon I go do it. Because remember who start. Yeah. We said thank you to nearly all the organizations. And I tell them, I repeat that day. Why we did the award. We did the award to say, you have been doing this job. Thank you very much for this job that you have been doing. Keep on the good work.
Yes.
That is what an award is about. An award is to give the person boost, more energy. Appreciate that person for the work that they've been doing, so that they can have the strength, the vigor to carry on.
To carry on and deliver more.
And deliver more.
Yeah.
Our
That's the reason why they'll tell you that Beyonce don't win 5 Emmy. You don't win 5 Emmy inside one day.
No.
Every year they win them.
Yes.
Because when they get that one, they become inspired. They work hard for go back and get them back next year. But we the year where you get and the next day they begin missing.
When me,
because you
Farella, get for look in the next few years and say, oh, they tell me by God's grace,
by God in power,
I go look credible people in the community and organization award them. I don't think there is any member of the community that would have the audacity, the effrontery to approach me after I have taken my time to narrow down to the 5 or the 10 that would approach me.
Yeah.
In my office.
Too?
And argue me.
Yeah.
That why did you give DJ Little award? And you are having this bad behavior from people who should be checking themselves. So some of them think and they honor the hypocrites amongst we. Because me, if person meets me and they tell you exactly why I give DJ Little. And I'm not boasting, but I dare not even think that anybody would have the balls to approach me in my office.
I think you're absolutely bang on the money. The fact that say the then when they win at the organizations them or the organizers them of those people, then vulnerability when they don't place themselves. Now they allow them for their members of the public or certain members of the public challenge them and say you don't have the right to do this, or this you don't get the right to let this person merit this award, or why you feel say this person deserve this recognition because who are you to go for can't give this person? So that means say you've made yourself in a position.
Hello.
You understand? Eh?
This is another thing that people do not think. Straight away you've been embarrassed.
Now when I get a committee, if when a young committee don't make a decision, say whether they can question the BAFTA or the Oscar if then decide for say Morgan Freeman now the best actor for that particular 2000, or then decide for get to Denzel Washington. Why would you understand? Eh? No. Now after I don't come out now they people don't go out for make noise, and the people that way they do now media. Only the media has the right to evaluate.
That is why when you want to be respected, you have to draw your line. You have to draw your line. When you na award giving organization, you have to draw your line. Not give award because of paddy business. Not give award for paddy. Not give award for people them because every year they carry show. That not mean to say Farella deserve award because every year they go you show. Not give Farella award for that. Unless Farella don't work on merits, now you forget award. And you know one thing I like about myself? Me I'm a maker, now they award me.
I like that. I really love that.
And now the feeling I'm in life say me maker, they award me. Because what duty we pleasing with God, and they see him. And they know.
You don't know when you don't give award.
And they know.
You don't know when today is a certificate, today is a gold cup.
And they know say he happy with me. No award no reach daddy.
Incredible.
But still, if you then a community, if you don't work hard, if they see you work, therefore recognize you.
Yeah.
So if people then they go behind, now because your body is not being respected.
True.
Nobody will come to your office now and tell you how to run your show.
No.
They will not dare.
No.
Because they know so you go fire them.
Oh no.
And I say for me.
Right now, me committee they will get to a certain thing anyway. I can't even do any longer than what you have to do because now, so let alone somebody from the public who can tell me say, Little, why you decide for being Farella?
Huh?
Could you imagine somebody meet me out on the road and say, why you decide for being Farella? I'm like, go talk to Ramani. And the challenges, this is the challenges that we face.
The hypocritical behavior
is too high.
It's too much.
The value of affiliation, na in don't kill.
That's it.
And the whole respect and the community.
Draw the line.
The love.
Draw the line.
Affiliation with, say, because I am associated with Farella, because you not get association with Farella, all of a sudden, no more distinguished, no more relationship.
Yes.
I don't get nothing for
all for cuts.
All for cuts. I don't get nothing for do with.
And you have a lot of hypocrites people who play this kind of game.
They go between us.
And then when
they go between us.
Now then are the cancer amongst the human race. The biggest cancer. And
you know what I say? That song was inspired. And KME when I reach out to Kabaka and get one of the artists for do that song. When I say the news they waka, but the vendor no get face.
I say how you send to me.
The news they waka, big sister, but the vendor no get face. And it's high time we target the vendors.
When people then they do wrong thing, when people then they act way we're not right, not a public. Not call us out in public because picking when I picking. If you do bad thing or they misbehave in public, you want chastise in public. It go molest you in public.
True, because he get right for defending self.
Because he get for defending self. That is a human behavior.
Yes.
When person, if na public, self they do something we no say could cause conflict or we not right or not sound well, corner na corner. Call on a corner. Let him know say, Farella, but you know, I know say not for bad you talk with you talk, but you're a bit harsh. And you see me, sometimes I'm harsh. That's what I turn. Because what you know, I'm not Kisabia for sugar, I coat the
but you're not a sharpshooter.
Thank you. I can go straight with the thing. I use the one I use way straight with you know what I mean. Because I don't like that bad hypocrite. And me body language, me behavior, DJ little. If you do me something now, you don't do something I not please, you don't know.
Wow.
You don't do me something where you not please, you be know.
Yes, I know.
A lie?
No. It took me time, and then
thank you.
And they try for big,
Thank you.
And you made sure say I got the message that I upset you.
Yes, I'm not happy. And that's so much a man for me. I'm not a vex for your last story.
He said I'm not happy. He said,
yes.
Tell me plain, he said I'm not happy.
I'm not happy. You not for be person where you they see wrong, but you they afraid for hurt Farella or for talk anything against, then you make like you not understand and still they put fire even for what's in the situation. It's not good. And that's the effect. But you know, me, I want to know who they pray. We they pray for we all. Last week Friday, if you listen to me live, if you get a chance, go back and listen. I said, me wait there so Papa God, I'll let you expose me. Let all man see me for the clothes where I wear. Let all man see me for who that be. Let God expose we all. Let God not grill we hide under no covering. And I tell you something, the work of God, now one thing God not like, He not like all they lie by each other, or they create enmity, but that's problem out of certain things.
God bless you. Oh my God.
God not like them here.
No.
God the disgrace person to them here. And now when you least expect, God. When God in people there, He say we wanna pray together, say we wanna join up anything. He say once we don't join together for pray in my name, and they bless you the answer. So anybody where they come, you they can't scatter. You they make like you they gather and you they scatter. God sabi we put them people in there. I don't see that in this community. People then they make like say they want gather, then they scatter willfully. People then they go in a corner, then they fend. How them go scatter. People and they assume people their position. How assume how people they feel or what people do. What you not even do. Other thing I can tell people where you not get that with people and not where you not get that with person not following post. Me DJ Little, me a very funny person. If I not get that with you, it like the peace blood. Not they look the Satan. Swatan.
Straight up.
I say I no want for no. I don't mean bad for you, I don't mean good for you. I just not get feelings for you.
Just leave you be.
Not to me business.
Leave you be.
I don't want self person bring you business to me. That's what I am. Because I don't want for sin against you.
I think that's the best way. But people don't understand. But in fact, you want to know more about the person.
Some people not get business with you.
Yeah,
now they go down on a company and Facebook wall. Now they go watch waiting and write waiting and talk. Not all your business. Left the person. All man get your problem when they inside. Una no men wanna they look all the past so. A lot of people have what's eating them up that they're not talking about. You don't know their problems. Sometimes they Farella go wake in the morning. I talk about person when I come up behind people man. Not so you are the talk. If you because you keep people man you read that you remember saying that you are the talk. It left now you act. You don't know sometimes person lay complain self to me the net before.
Yeah.
When mona me sometimes America self the case they pon. But you were there London now when you read them, you say this now DJ Little go down hotel and so
yeah.
Say I keep fat to him man. You don't take sin Farella.
Yeah.
Sometimes I write something where sometimes your sister they go through that thing. You don't take sin. Sometimes a different how they talk.
Indeed.
How you read that something also say be. You know most people are not take sin for me. DJ Little. Because sometimes now these are the talk about the connection.
Yes.
Where you they pray, where they read the word. Sometimes that can turn me money in devotion or waiting. God, something kind of me at I write about them. You know most people them back in the meet me and tell me say that thing you write about so. That's so. You know say I been they go through so thing. Why I read them and the comments they under I think about them. Now I just know what I do. Sometimes they do something when God will lead you. You don't know who that they help through that safe.
Indeed.
Because you don't even know why God will lead you for right standing or for talk about that thing. Just like how freestyle so today.
Yeah.
We not plan nothing.
No.
You not tell me nothing what you gonna ask me.
No, you don't and you don't call me questioning me.
I not call you ask you say, hey Little, not talk about this part not talk about this. I left her free. Anything when you ask me.
A lot of
I talk
people,
about her.
A lot of people will come here and be thinking
We plan her.
Freestyle.
You not tell me
we had an appointment and that's an appointment. We got the dates and that's the dates. That's as far as anything that come middle here was never scripted.
Never planned.
Look the paper we plan for right. Una look at the paper this. Anything in the paper. Anything that I'm glad you mentioned. Anything that the paper. Nothing not there in the paper. Nothing no plan and everything. Everything that I scripted and I just said.
You just ask me and I answer and they talk to you. We get people them way. Me something happen, somebody do something, one thing. One no say that bad thing the person do so. I call somebody else. I said this person are you person. I want you call this person like tell and say what you do so you not fine. I believe say that person they not tell that person.
It can always be.
Yes. You see, we not for day na community. We want for command and respect. But we not get mind for taking the truth around. Nobody not perfect. Me where they answer not perfect. But if person call me attention to something, now I make some people who know me very well can say you get sweet mouth. Person call me attention to something where not go fine. If me self see and say not true, now no argue this person say not be like that. If somebody say not like something, no argue. It not like karma. I go say, DJ Little I saw you, not be mean and that with it. What time they try for tell you? I for tell you say this bottle we put sooner here. Where you not be done wiper it is stand the table.
Yes.
But you know, see
so nobody should be too big to apologize. Nobody should be too small to apologize.
No. And you true not to me on true. How you see not to so I see?
You say something and I'm going to make this very personal now. And that is a message for my home. No two people they see the coin the same way.
No.
You understand? Eh?
No.
And I always say one of my biggest fights why they challenge na me own home. Closest to me. When I the post with next to me side is whenever you get this disagreement with your party them, if the third source bring and come, reach out to the person where in name don't call. Not use the same source we account. Reach out to the person and get her say, you read directly from Wahab say.
Thank you.
For Wahab say, he tell Farella say, or Farella say about me. No. Let Farella tell you say, yes, na me tell Wahab tell you. If Farella not say, na me tell Wahab tell you, then you now ask Farella say, well, why you make you know you can't tell me directly? You do that, you don't evaluate, you don't eradicate that middleman, and then if the problem una they get the argument, una they argue now directly, then in the end they if una they resolve and they directly, that middleman let it lost because that middleman na they the news they broke, na they it disappear, na they it filter, and as you talk something way right, it depends. If you feel say I no one can tell you what you want yeri, whether that sound bite okay for upset you, but the time they bring the message to you, it don't change them. Then they go interpret for you now based on your small response.
Yes.
Based on your small response.
They add the back.
They add the back.
Oh.
But guess what happened? Now, Farella they protect that person there because no then you set up and protect that person there. Guess who that they win? The middleman.
Yes.
We need to get rid of that middleman when it's not necessary. And it's affecting all our homes. It's affecting all we circle.
Of course.
It's affecting all we friendship.
Of
and
course.
It's affecting the community.
Of course. Of course.
It's difficult. You not go born with somebody, don't grow up with somebody, you love with somebody, you understand, when I don't let yourself too much, and then you decide to cut the person off. Nobody no go on, no matter what are you there. You understand? If you not go on for throw away a 20-year-old relationship overnight, over a 9 or 10-year relationship, over silly thing, in my opinion, where all you had to do was establish facts. When the opportunity, first of all, then are your hand for establish facts. But you don't want for do that. Instead, you decide for choose the hate community, the hate side. And when you do that, you're building a platform for you to fulfill. Because eventually, when the truth come, you know they get no ground for land.
The thing where they feel sad for a lot of people in for now because they not get the willpower for carry themselves by themselves. I'm not bluffing for Farella, but you see me, watch me. I don't belong to any gang. When you see Farella coming, Farella is coming all by herself. If I'm not a car with Mr. Clarkston, I'm coming by myself. Not because I don't have friends. I have lots of friends. But I make sure, say, from when they grew up, me and a person where I just more than enough by myself.
I like that.
That's where I am now. So I'm man. And person not going to take it away from me. I'm man. So I'm man. They don't land me for party business, say, what would they go with the way this fanny t-shirt? So me say for wear fanny t-shirt for logo with the pan. I'm not so amen. Where would they go? Elekuna don't guess it. Elekuna wear to na wear it. If me say na so me they go. I am okay. I am okay in myself. I believe myself. Where they go? We sit down. If you're nice, it's nice. You look good, DJ Little. I like you. T-shirt. That's it. It stays there. Let me not fight too much for belong. Be yourself. Not fight for belong.
Identify yourself and know yourself and own yourself.
Nothing to say.
Yeah.
This water, now then they now, and the brand than this.
Yes.
So I want to be amongst the brand. Let all be brand. No. Work hard in your area and wait, let God make noise for you.
Indeed.
If you rush, you go squash. All them what they with them in the talk together.
Yeah.
No, they win a lie. If you rush, you go squash. In like way, some go call them ambitious.
But ambitious get pace, eh? You get for take your time steadily.
You get for build up.
Yes.
Not in other way go just begin so no you for build up. Take your time. And your success will make noise for you.
Indeed.
God and I go raise you up and showcase you. Then now, who's you the day? Let them honor you to the front. I'm a mortal man. This word of God, and they come back to her for anything. Anybody will bypass her, you waste your time. Not for reader no more. Now for read them and act upon them.
Understand them and act upon them too.
If you don't read the Quran no more for nothing, you waste your time.
Boku.
Now boto no more you pull.
They always they tell me.
You dey pull boto for nothing. You hear black as the pastor man no say they pray.
Yeah.
Almost raka for day. But and if you don't read, you don't get nothing inside. You for read them, you eat them, you live by them. Don't become a fanatical. You don't live by them because I always tell people, let's say, Jesus Christ have been socialites. They go outside.
Yes, he did.
They go outside. So then I mean I want me not for go outside. And they go outside. Read them, digest them, understand them. Try your best for apply and you did today. Me say for this so not to so abon. Now acquire me say they acquire the fruits of the spirit small. When God bring letter P come patience. And then he give me. I get choice.
No.
If Danny when I've been baby, if you say 1 hour today, now would they take for 1 bobby milk?
Yeah.
For like breastfeed. Now we go take. If you don't get patience to be able to do it.
No.
Oh, me a seasoned though. This for now this is what seasoned. Holy Spirit don't season me. It salt me to taste. It salt me to taste. So, when I can say at the past so, not to for let nobody notice me. I don't want let nobody see me. I don't want let nobody award me. If possible for award me, say God thank you. I don't want them Angela for award to nobody. Non-group no then we're going to ever say for more the as we shocking can and so far they begin call we and say with their nice text one day. Me Farela. Because me God will serve. That's all me. Good day, me bad day. Anyone where I do, where God want for bless me, for he go bless me. Anyone where I do, where God want showcase me, for he go showcase me. Anyone where God want for honor me for, go honor me. Me now where I do so now, at the age of 48, my greatest desire after serving God and for the work of humanity. I not see myself they get any side get a pack. Anyone where I get now. And they do Papa God in work. I must do the will of him that sent me while it is day. Let next not come and not do me work. Let not turn back, go. Papa God will ask me,
what you do?
What do you do? I want to receive me.
Yeah.
And say, well done.
Yeah.
Thou good
yes.
and faithful servant. Come and enjoy milk and honey with me at my high table. I want to take me out of heaven and introduce me as in doctor.
This is not one of my own.
My people, una not be worried, worried, stress on yourself about what people and they say about una, about what people they not do, about what people they make so, about the gang up. Hey, una left them thing and all to God. Una don't they pray to God no more. Let inches una your rough edges. Let make una want una. Let shape una up, mold una. Una give una self to God. Let you live your life. The Bible or the Quran, all kind of people that you don't live there. Fight nation against nation, family against family. Nothing on the way they happen digitally to win a new thing. We don't read about all.
Everything is there. The template.
We don't read about all.
The templates there.
The templates there. Say family go, mothers go rise against children, children go rise against parents. It is all there in the word of God. Always all the season of the world. No, not remember saying that the Salon community, Now the world, the army people, the world now don't turn so. The more safe technology they develop, and the more the family ties, so friendship, all they become fragmented. I'm telling you, my people, una let we get that we safe personally. Let for the gum, but that you post in the out intern. Get that you safe. Work on yourself. You work on yourself for make yourself a better person. Let you be better for come out there. Let your light shine. Let them see the difference in you from the person you be yesterday. Take it from there. Let this responsibility, this self As much as we all the grumble say the community makes so, let we all get self-responsibility for such we say. And try for do the right thing. We're faced with any situation. Lord, we try for address the matter properly. Me, young Farella. If not for the true no more, I'd rather stand alone. All man can left me. I'm not worried about that. I need to wait and tell you about Farella. If you want, you believe. If you want, you not believe.
I like that. Does your you know, fine titi.
If Farella sit on the one game or waiting, people they think, assume, say, let me body all go cut. I want to lose weight too because I will be. I don't want to dry out of one day. I want to lose weight for my health, healthily, not for one day.
I love big bone women, so you can't say that.
Famble them. And I thank you for today.
It's been an amazing
for listening to it today.
Saturday Sawa Sawa. Tell them what Saturday Sawa Sawa. The tempo catch Saturday Sawa Sawa.
Saturday Sawa Sawa. Una no say most of the time na for una the oldest goodies. Whether na old time funk, whether na old time reggae, whether na just there as we can call and put old.
Yeah.
Then sound and tell me the plane and then kiosk will come count down the cam. Una no say all I can go na. Did you love how they supply me the music lady?
110%.
And I tell you. So Saturday we go get to Saturday Sawa. This coming Saturday back, no lunch or still not day. But I get for go St. Edward's then dinner and dance. For go support the old Edwardians. Me na Kintam Pikin. Who born show them. They sabi them na Kintam. Na Kintam school. So I get for go support them.
That's me.
So and for go big up me sister when they go be the MC Petrina Kamara.
That's right. The regionals in very 13.
Yeah. So family then una have a fantastic week.
All Edwardian una don't pay for una ticket, eh?
Do you?
Mr. Don't pay for my ticket.
Una take it easy. Una where they don't hot. Una where they fat. Una where they cuss. Una where they argue. Next year by then you go look down the road, you look that cost day and ala on Facebook, WhatsApp, send, wasting of energy. You go wonder by yourself, say, that's what I've been do.
Yes.
But I do bad.
And then it stays on your CV.
It stays. People they don't get that idea they of you. Say, but I left Lady Zedia, he not so in town, he misbehaved, he cursed, he this, that. Nobody no go afraid you because of the course. I'll tell you now.
No.
Nobody no go respect you because of the course. Now lie. Anybody will tell you say then they afraid that because of the course.
No.
People will just avoid you.
Yeah.
Not afraid them go afraid you. Now mingle, they not go mingle with you. They not go for the sin around you.
Yeah. Put you in a corner.
They go put you in a corner. They go talk to you if they laugh to you. Now lie when they're in a corner and they talk about you how they use obscenities.
Yeah.
How they disgrace your family. How you they curse, how you rude. I'm telling you. Not the way they not the way we all know sabi talk. But we not go talk. If we don't have small corner then we they talk we all conclave, make fun. So okay, use all obscenity, but that's not jokingly.
Yeah.
But for so come out in the public, never. Farella is too good for that. Yes.
We're gonna leave it like that. She's definitely too good for that, and she has been too good for our program tonight on Salon Talk on Diaspora Voices. To be honest with you, it's been an amazing pleasure, and una always stick to with the program throughout the night. Oh my goodness, Olivia say over 3 hours, but putting inspiring and interesting. Well done, DJ Little and my dearest Farella. Great show, Diaries. Thank you, Diaries. Thank you so much. Una all we apologize to Una. We're not able to lift Una comments them and put them, but this now opportunity for Una go back and watch the program. And again for Guna the good news, the program go there available on YouTube from tomorrow. And but for the benefit of Una viewing, we go split them into 2 programs. So Una go see the first half of the program and then the second half of the program. So Una go get more opportunities for share them and then pass them on so that people can go catch up. It's been an inspirational program from Farella sharing her personal life to talking about her humanity, talking about her charity, love for charity, talking about the social community which we live in. And like you said, if they watch Saturday Sawa, when I go see her say she can go on and talk about these subjects hours and end. But you understand, we needed for just reach out to Una for let the message get out to me, to Una, within the community. Let we all understand, say this community where we belong, we they grow old. We they left farm for we picking them. If we left farm in the right foundation, the community go build.
Yes.
If we left the community the foundation cripple, we not go able for build. We picking them go just can look at me and say, me papa, me mama no be lay good foundation.
Yes.
Then go build their own land.
Embarrassed.
Then they walk away from the land where we don't create, and then go other side. Then they identify themselves as a different community.
That's it.
Woe betide anyone per we, me or you, sit down at we old age, they watch we picking and they resent we community. We don't want that. So do you have me family them, me brothers and sisters them? If you do person or I do person wrong, reach out to me directly. Give me the opportunity for I say sorry or I say well now I miss. You understand? If I say I'm now I miss, then you make up your mind for move away from me for good. Or let me tell you say sorry when I me no say na me don't do you wrong without using anybody. More importantly, if you want for do good, you choose for do good in life, and you want for help any cause, think about it. Every Sierra Leonean in this community or in this country, in the diaspora, where they out, is better off and able to make one difference and one picking in life.
Yes.
Think about helping somebody. Nobody not they force you, me not force you, Farrella not force you, but just think about it. Many of you already they do them already in a way. But when it comes to doing good, holistically, let me think. So January the 4th, Ambassadors of Humanity, they come. Make sure say una support Farrella Cheshire Home, and this year, next year the project na about Bo Cheshire Home, and I can't wait to see the pictures as Farrella
before and after.
The before and after. Do ya, me brothers and me sisters them, £45 make a key significant difference. But before the Ambassadors for Humanity, December the 14th countdown, we don't they go on and we 7 years. Farrella there alongside we, 6 years this, isn't it? Yes. And so we don't go the Batulam Safu. We don't make sacrifice for them for it. You know what I mean? He left
don't dates. Change dates
he
for
left
me.
Dates for me. I left dates for him. You know, that kind of thing. That's what love does. That's what respect does. That's what community cohesion does. You understand? Eh? When you know say somebody don't sit down. If you listen to the start of a conversation, he say convent and don't they reach out to them. He say, well, you don't come with business before. Couple of years now, we know able to see you now with Platform for Grace. And she made a very conscious decision and move away from that date and say, Conventonians, even though now own an alumni, they left the date for now. Because as soon as I know most alumni, they get their audience, they get their own clientele.
And then dates.
Now then dates.
Yes.
You understand? But when somebody come in and decide for hijack you date, not only get the calendar, now God Almighty get the calendar. Anybody can do anything. But if I get love, or I suppose for get relationship with you, and you know that say I don't sit on a one particular date for over 4.5 years. 4 years I don't sit on. This go be the 5 year we don't date at this date for when we move away. And then you deliberately and consciously can't sit on and be date. I will leave it to the community for make that decision. So December the 14th, countdown, DJ Little and DJ Ish, my small brother. Una know what we stand for. We dey raise awareness, we dey raise money for prostate cancer, breast cancer UK, and Handicap Youth Development Association a salon where now the children of the disabled them. I make we can always stress. We dey look after the children of the disabled them. Alongside in partnership with ITAT, as he said, the health show, and with Freetown Television Network, FTN Channel 35. Now we dey work on that. You understand? Una come, una support we. Whatever una can give is just £20. And this year we don't pull the event away from the club. We dey take una go na Lansdowne Hotel in Croydon. Nothing changes. If una na couple VIP na £50 with tutus balloons, we get for be with special decorator, and we get for look after the finger foods catering on the night.
Oh,
so una make sure say una come there, tutu balloons go look after we for the catering and all the deco on the night, and then we bring a different flavor because una therefore appreciate we on the 14th. And definitely my big sister sitting here is going to be there.
We'll be there. I hope you'll be playing some oldies music, you know.
No, you get for DJ that whole music that yourself because you're a wicked selector. You and Chris Mokomok. I don't tell Chris Mokomok say I just go on SoundCloud. I download all the old school tunes. Them I just put them on play. You understand? So because he plays some wicked old school. So thank you. It's been a great show. We tell una boku thank you for una stay with we. All we call as the way call the program. We appreciate una massively. And we could not have done this program successfully without una not stay with we throughout the duration. So we love una, and I want to wish Farella a massive congratulations. And Girls High School Methodist, I cannot let you leave here. You don't talk about Girls High School. Please do before they go beat you up.
Yes, because I did tell you. Yes, I've sent you the flyer. Please.
Thank you so much.
Talk about pay to have a
talk about Methodist Girls High School.
Ladies and gentlemen, especially ladies, past girls from the prestigious Methodist Girls High School, the best school ever been born in Sierra Leone. Please don't be jealous. You know, the move are the best.
You know I'm a purple queen. I turn up my grammar school with me purple all my Allah.
That's it.
Now say if Edwards then catch me.
We are having our dinner and dance on the 2nd of November. 2nd of November in Croydon. Please contact me on Facebook or WhatsApp for tickets. I've got DJ Little's own 2 tickets in my bag, and I'll give it to him before I leave. Yeah. Please, old girls, we are calling on all of you. But often I don't they send me message, you want to join when at the next function. The next function at the 2nd of November. Send message to me, please. I'll post you tickets. We want to see our old girls because next year, now we're 140 years celebration.
You know I get old guys for support now.
See?
Ask me why.
Why?
Because me Fadelo. Now boys high school you go.
You see?
So by default, I don't have any choice.
You not get choice if you support me.
So for me late Fadelo alone, for representing Methodist Boys High School alongside the Methodist Girls High School,
yes,
I have the right to be.
You have to bring me Sise with you. So ladies, please, we want you to come full-fledged because we need to get enough money for go do some work for meet up this 140 years. Not to say we go left with school 140 years. We need to go put with school intact. Let the school, the buildings themselves, let themselves know say after 140, they not go celebrate no more than they celebrate the building first before we go out there and celebrate. So please, all girls we're calling on all of you, come on board. Come on board and support your alma mater. God bless you.
God bless you. Well done. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We will left now with the lovely. Don't forget, next week, Saturday the 19th, you can still connect with Farella, catch up with her. It's still time for you to take a stall. And as you say, unfortunately, there are no more food stalls available. But if you get any other skills, any other thing where you have for can pitch on the day, make sure say una can day and can support and be part of the very first networking in London. As Farella say, our sister Belseta don't start in Manchester. In London, the very first one at Blanchdown Community Hall, where we all sabi when I just Denmark Hill, go past King's College Hospital, you're not gonna get it wrong. No. And but reach out, prepare yourself, get your photographs now, get your what they call them, complimentary cards them ready for dish out. And then can't talk about your own skills, your own business, your whatever you don't feel say you need to tell and share with somebody with. Can't talk about them. You understand it? If you're not professional Congo SSF and then you can take a store. Please. Let's have a bit of that. We need to have a bit of light after this. So if you're not professional Congo SSF, you can take Congo store. As long as no, you're not wanted. I'm joking. Anyway, people, thank you. Good night. God bless you. Till next time, we'll catch up with you guys. And it's been a fantastic show. We'll see you. It's 100% Salon Titi, and she's been here. and we go left on her.
Like green, white, and blue is here.
Absolutely.
And don't forget
and she's definitely representing Black History Month as well.
Yes, October is Black History Month. You know, when we are coming out this October, let them not ask who that will be.
Yes.
As you come out, so
let them see
you na bus stop, na train, at work, everywhere. Let's just celebrate.
I feel inspired now.
Being black.
Now I feel inspired.
I'm very disappointed.
Oh God!
To meet DJ Little in t-shirt.
Oh
Black
my God!
History Month.
You don't say last.
Me na person where they come with all my blackness.
Oh my goodness!
You know celebrate me. At the Aquarium.
My manager has apologized on my behalf unreservedly. You understand? Just before we go on air, so we know. But we do apologize, and definitely, and we will be there, and we will suppose. So waiting at the word we talk. Finish on that note.
DJ Little. Ablansima we get fix for music. Fix for salon business.
Yes.
Anything we get for do with salon business and music. DJ Little get fix panam. Una be a mono to a fault.
I agree 100%. For more 8-year-old. Now they don't tag me with that word. They uncle say you get fixed.
Yes.
When you let ball say you fix it, you don't go dig for can make click. So on that happy note, I'm happy to be saying I got fixed. God bless you now. Good night, Tata. Stay blessed. And thank you for being so patient with us. Good night, stay blessed. Tell somebody that you love them. Tell somebody that you're gonna be there. Tell somebody that Ambassadors for Humanity is definitely gonna make a difference on the 4th of January.
Yes.
So if you're not going outside this December, get connected.
Please. Thank you all very much for staying in.
Yes, we go sweat from me, we get and tomato.
Young Leap on the beat.
But once not got your shit, young go must come out. Now we all make we take am. Well, body now we all make we take am. If you believe you go receive am. Say you go make am. Gently now we all make we take am. Well, body now we all make we take am. If you believe you go receive am. Say you go make am. Blessings go follow you. Favor go follow you. And you know go bother you. Say you go make am. Good things go follow you. And go better you, and nobody no go bother you. But say you go make am. If you get good person how you like, do your all and found. Cause good people hard to find. Now God we're good now in life, yeah. Make we give them praise. Not only by His grace. Only when things meets you, you know, would take life for granted. People can't be trusted. And you see how them go they run. When the trouble go for down and gone. When the bush go calm and tongue. His goodness and His mercy go always follow me. Cause we made of His image and likeness, yes. So we go sweat, forget, we daily pray. Must not go the shame. Say we go cool with it. But gently now we all make we take am. Well, body now we all make we take am. If you believe you go receive am. Say you go make am. Gently now we all make we take am. Well, body now we all make we take am. If you believe you go receive am. Say you go make am. Blessings will follow you. Favor will follow you. And did you know go bother you? Say you go make am. Good things go follow you. Feel and go better you. And nobody no go bother you. Say you go make am. If you don't hurt so say me beg you. Be like a lie. You go say before you make am. Cause matter man greed. Man told him for himself, yeah. Even the party that fambule steal and rich themself, yeah. Put you up to God, now the fuck. Now you always they watch me back. Now they make her they dance and they la-di-da. And they daddy like that, yeah. Every day you will fill up me bank. That's just like a shower, you will fill up me tank. Not only you, Papa, I say not only you, I just put it down, yeah. But gently now we all make we take am. Well, body now we all make you take am. If you believe you go receive am. Say you go make am. Gently now we all make you take am. Well, body now we all make you take am. If you believe you go receive am. Say you go make am. Blessings go follow you. Favor go follow you. The beauty no go bother you. Say you go make am. Good things go follow you. Feeling go better you. And nobody no go bother you. Say you go make am. Money go follow you. September go follow you. Now walk go come for you. Say you go make it. Marriage go follow you. Yes, we go sweat from make we get and tomato.
Young Leaf on the beats.
But once not got your shit, young go must go motto. Go gently. Now we all make you take am. Well, body now we all make you take am.
If you're having credit problems, I feel bad for you, son. 1,000 problems, but a car rank 1. Wheels for sure, got me back in the car. Leasing with my credit, I was like, oh man, forget it. Who would've thought I'd be accepted and more? But now I got the keys, I feel so pleased. All types of cars, Fiats, Minis, Renaults, you know, boom, boom, let's go. Wheels for sure, car leasing for every credit score.